Welcome to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss the wooden tiny ladder plant stand. The wooden tiny ladder plant stand is charming and versatile addition to any indoor or outdoor space. Crafted from sturdy natural wood, this plant stand features a compact ladder design that adds a touch of rustic elegance to your decor. Its petite size makes it perfect for showcasing your favorite small potted plants, herbs, or even a collection of succulents. With multiple tiles, you can create a visually appealing display by arranging your plants at different heights. The ladder design also allows for easy access and maintenance, making it a practical choice for plant enthusiasts. Whether placed in a sunny corner of your living room or adorning your garden, the wooden tiny ladder plant stand brings a delightful blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal to your green space. The importance of a tiny wooden plant stand lies in its ability to enhance both the practicality and aesthetic appeal of your plant display. Here are a few key reasons why a tiny wooden plant stand can be valuable. First one is space optimization. A small plant stand allows you to make different use of limited space. Whether you live in a small apartment or have a compact garden, a tiny plant stand helps you maximize the number of plants you can showcase without overwhelming the area. It's particularly beneficial for those who enjoy gardening but have limited room to work with. Number 2 is visual appeal. The use of wood in a plant stand adds a touch of warmth, natural beauty, and timeless elegance to any space. The organic textures and earthy tones of wood create a visually pleasing contrast against the vibrant color of your plants. A tiny wooden plant stand can serve as an eye-catching focal point, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Number 3 is versatility. A small plant stand made of wood provides a versatile platform for a variety of plant types. Whether you prefer small potted plants, herbs, succulents, or even trailing vines, a tiny wooden plant stand offers the perfect arrangement. It allows you to create multi-level displays, playing with different heights and arrangements to showcase your plants in an aesthetically pleasing manner. Number 4 is accessibility and maintenance. The ladder design of a tiny wooden plant stand offers practical benefits. It allows easy access to your plants for watering, pruning, and general maintenance. And you can conventionally reach out the plants without the need of excessive bending or stretching. I hope you like this video because this video contains different ideas related to plant stands that is made by wood, and this is a special type and modern designs. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, like, and comment in this video, and tell me what's your best design. Share me your latest demands and latest ideas that you have in your mind. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will bring most modern ideas related to home decor and interior designs that will be beneficial for your home. Thank you.